Hey guys, what's going on? Pablo here, and today we're gonna be doing this a little bit different. We're gonna be doing this kind of like a vlog style. We're gonna be doing an unboxing today. Not the normal tech or lifestyle unboxing. We're actually gonna be unboxing a print, a Peter McKinnon limited edition print, to be exact. Only 250 of each of these prints were made in each size. I watched a video last week where he announced he was going to start selling prints for the first time in his career, and I went on the website and I looked at a few of the prints that he had, and the bucket shot was just amazing. I love winter landscapes, probably my favorite. I know people love kind of summery or fall, but my favorite for sure is going to be the winter landscape. So I went ahead and I bought the bucket shot in medium, and in the video he goes through kind of the unboxing and the kind of what to expect, and it kind of seemed like a premium unboxing. So I want to make a video on it and see if it really is that feeling, that premium feeling of opening a print. I love prints. I love art. I have art all over my house, and I really love when I know the artist. Obviously, I don't know Peter McKinnon, but a lot of the prints that I have, I personally know. A lot of the art that I have, I personally know the artist as well. I don't like to just buy anything off of just like some random store that has these prints that look cool. I like to know kind of the backstory on them, and maybe one day we'll know more about the bucket shot. I know on the website he talks a little bit about it. But sometimes that story leading up to that shot is also very interesting. So let's get right into this unboxing without further delay. Let's do it. So here's the box that it's shipped in, but we'll get inside. And sorry for the little squeaky noises. My dog Oslo over here is having a ball. A cone on his head. All right, so let's open this right up. We have in here wrapping paper. Here we have the certificate of authenticity, 148. So I'm guessing this might be 148 of 250. And here is the box. Shrink wrap. Get this one out of the way. Alright, so let's start with this. It says certificate of authenticity embossed right there. Don't know if you can see that. Peter's signature right there. Let's open this up. The tape there. Nice little black wrapping. Bam. You are 148 of 250. The bucket shot 2018. So now let's open this up. Take it right out. Alright, so now let's open the box where you have the print. Here you'll see Peter McKinnon. I don't know if you guys can see that. Peter McKinnon embossed right there. As well as in the back, or I guess the front, however you want to look at it. Here you have the tab to pull it open. Like so. And then Peter McKinnon's signature. A gold little leaf, I guess you can call that. And then grab you guys here. Let's open this up. Peter McKinnon official archival print, and right up front says have professionally framed, handle with care. So we're not actually going to open this right now. We're gonna take it to framers, have them do their magic. Then in a couple of days, hopefully, we'll get this back framed up. So let's go do that right now. And again, this is Oslo having fun at the box. Look at him. He's a rambunctious little pup. Alright, so we're gonna go into the frame store to get the print framed up, and we'll see what it looks like when we get it back in a few days. Hopefully a few days, hopefully not much longer than that, and then we'll put it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like in its finished form. Just left the frame store. It's gonna take a lot longer than I thought it would have. Thought a couple of days, but I know nothing about framing. Actually gonna be December 20th is the date that they gave me. Could be sooner, but December 20th, so a couple of weeks before I get this back. But at that point, I will post that up as well to show you what it looks like framed and hang it up on the wall. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I know this is a little bit different than we normally do on here. No, this wasn't a tech review, this wasn't a gear review or anything like that, but I do appreciate you watching. I'm also bummed that's gonna take almost 2 weeks for me to get that back, and I know I didn't pull the print out to show you right from the box, but I didn't want to mess it up in any way, shape, or form. I didn't want to get fingerprints on it, or I don't know, do anything stupid before it got framed. So I know that was a little disappointing, but I hope that you come back when I put that video up when I get it back. So subscribe if you haven't. When I was at the frame store, they had it laid out and it looked pretty darn good. So I'm really excited to get that back in a couple of weeks or a few weeks, whenever that is. So again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Comments, leave those down below. Love hearing from you, love interacting with you, and see you on the next one. Peace.